You know, everyone has their own jigsaw puzzle. Your whole life is a jigsaw puzzle, okay? But the question is, do you finish the puzzle? How many pieces are you missing? Do you have a complete jigsaw puzzle? Do you have a complete jigsaw puzzle? Is the question, sir. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. But that is the quest in life. Complete the jigsaw puzzle. I'm pretty happy with my jigsaw puzzle, I'll tell you that much. I got just about every piece in that I wanted, not many missing. Anyway, what is it that I'm supposed to say here? You can give up on the system, you can give up on the people, but never give up on yourself. Never give up, right?